Okay, here you go. This is what a diesel Willys Gladiator with AEV's 2.5-inch Dualsport RT suspension kit on 37-inch Mickey Thompson Baja Legend EXP tires looks like. Those cool white wheels, those are by 1552. The 2.5-inch kit actually added about 3 to 3.25 inches, not 2.5, which was surprising, so maybe they're measuring it on a Rubicon. I don't know. And these Baja Legends, the 37-inch, actually are about 35.5 when they have the weight of the tire on them. So not quite a true 37, but if you ask me, that looks pretty darn good. Sorry about the shaky camera. My phone is pretty trash when it comes to taking video. And sorry about the filthy truck. It is the week of Christmas in Nebraska. 0 degrees today, wind chill of about -40, and I decided that was the day to do a little Christmas shopping. Anyway, here you go. If you want to see what it looks like, this is what it looks like. I did record the whole install process and plan to release some videos once I can sort through that pile of footage. But anyway, thanks for watching. Check out my other stuff. Thanks.